This video, I'm going to show you how you can fade the background on Google Slides so that you can have your text or one portion of your slide much clearer or more visible. So I have here text, and I'd like to go ahead and fade this background so that this text can be visible clearly. To do that, I need to go ahead and fade the background, which is this image. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the slide that you want to fade the background, and then click on the background. Then you will see this option called format option. If I click on it, we have quite a number of options here. I'm interested in adjustment here. So if I click on adjustment, we are going to lower the opacity of this image to make it fade. So if I lower it like this, you can see I have just faded the background, and therefore the text is much visible. Now, once you get the correct fade proportion, you can now exit, and that will be applied on your background. So that's how you can make the background less visible in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.